If you're a homeowner in Houston, you know how important it is to protect your investment. Between intense summer heat, sudden storms, and high humidity, your home faces year-round challenges. One of the smartest and most cost-effective ways to increase your property's value while improving comfort is by installing replacement windows. Replacement windows do far more than enhance appearance. They can transform your home's energy efficiency, curb appeal, and overall market value, all while making daily life more comfortable for you and your family. Increase curb appeal instantly. First impressions matter, especially in Houston's competitive real estate market. Old, faded, or damaged windows can make even a well-maintained home look outdated. New replacement windows provide a clean, modern appearance that instantly upgrades your home's exterior. Whether you prefer classic white frames, sleek black finishes, or custom grid designs, today's window options allow you to match your home's architectural style perfectly. From traditional brick homes to contemporary builds, replacement windows give your property a refreshed, polished look that buyers notice right away. Improve energy efficiency in Houston's climate. Houston summers are long and hot, and energy bills can quickly climb as air conditioners work overtime. Older windows often allow cooled air to escape and let heat seep inside, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Modern replacement windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Features like double or triple pane glass, low emissivity, low E coatings, and insulated frames help regulate indoor temperatures. By reducing heat transfer, these windows help maintain a consistent indoor climate, keeping your home cooler in summer and more comfortable in winter. Lower energy consumption doesn't just mean reduced monthly utility bills. Energy-efficient upgrades are highly attractive to potential buyers. Many homebuyers in Houston actively look for properties that promise lower operating costs, making new windows a valuable selling point. Enhanced storm protection and durability. Houston homeowners are no strangers to heavy rain, strong winds, and hurricane season. Outdated windows may not provide the level of protection your home needs during severe weather. Today's replacement windows are built with stronger materials and advanced sealing systems. Impact-resistant glass options offer added protection against flying debris, while improved weather stripping helps prevent water intrusion. Upgrading your windows not only adds value but also provides peace of mind during unpredictable weather events. Buyers appreciate homes that are built to withstand local conditions. Investing in durable, high-performance windows shows that your home has been well cared for and thoughtfully upgraded. Reduce noise and increase comfort. Living in a bustling city like Houston often means dealing with traffic noise, neighborhood activity, and construction sounds. Replacement windows with insulated glass significantly reduce outside noise, creating a quieter and more relaxing indoor environment. This added comfort can make a noticeable difference in your everyday life. Whether you're working from home, enjoying family time, or simply trying to get a good night's sleep, improved sound insulation enhances your quality of life. Comfort features like these can also make your home stand out to future buyers. Low maintenance, long-term value. Older wooden window frames can warp, crack, or require frequent repainting due to Houston's humidity. Modern replacement windows are often made from materials like vinyl or fiberglass, which resist moisture damage and require minimal upkeep. Low-maintenance windows save you time and money over the years. Instead of worrying about repairs and repainting, you can enjoy durable performance with simple cleaning. For prospective buyers, low-maintenance features are highly appealing and can positively influence purchasing decisions. A smart investment. For resale home improvement projects vary in their return on investment, but replacement windows consistently rank among the upgrades that deliver strong resale value. They combine aesthetic improvement, functional performance, and energy savings, all key factors buyers consider. Even if you're not planning to sell immediately, you'll benefit from enhanced comfort, lower energy bills, and improved protection right away. And when the time does come to list your home, updated windows can help justify a higher asking price and attract more serious offers. Upgrade with confidence. Boosting your home's value doesn't require a complete renovation. Sometimes, the most impactful changes come from strategic upgrades. Replacement windows offer Houston homeowners a practical, high-impact solution that improves beauty, efficiency, durability, and comfort all at once. If you're looking to strengthen your investment and enjoy a better living experience, replacement windows are a smart step forward.